Today we're showing you a new Holland T4.110 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has 107 horsepower, has just under 100 hours. Tractor's like new, still carries a balance of the factory warranty, which runs into February of 2020. Paint of the tractor looks new. Has the front grill guard on it. 655 TL quick attach front loader goes with the tractor. Does have the skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. 7-foot front bucket. See, there's been a little bit of dirt in the bucket, but basically looks new. Tires are excellent. 2 doors in the cab, 2 mirrors on the cab, front and rear work lights on the cab. Also has 2 sets of rear wheel weights to go with it. Rear tires are also loaded for counterweight. Dual rear hydraulics back here. You've got the lever back here to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Has 540 and 1000 Pto capabilities. Telescopic 3-point arms and stabilizer bars. As you can see, the tractor looks practically brand new. Inside the cab, full air ride seat here for the operator, buddy seat here to the side, tilt steering wheel, left-hand power shuttle allows you to change direction without clutching. Has the 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges on the short lever down here, 4 synchronized gears up top here. Also have your loader control right there with an easy reach. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic controls, PTO, and 4-wheel drive switch. Also have your 3-point controls beside the seat and a quick up down on your 3-point right here as well. On the cab post, you've got your climate controls, radio is up top, park brake is here to the left of the seat. And as you can see, again, the tractor's like brand new. Just under 100 hours. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.